Let's get an overview of actionable analytics reports in the Identity Cloud and explore how analytics in Saviynt go beyond just reporting and become actionable. With actionable analytics reports, authorized users aren't just reading data, they can take action directly from the report. These actions are pre-configured as part of the report setup. For example, if the report lists orphan accounts or accounts that need to be disabled, the user can map, revoke, or disable them immediately. As shown on the right, the types of actions available include accept, revoke, further review, provision or deprovision access, update, delete, or deprovision accounts, map entitlement owners, enable or disable accounts, and map orphan accounts. Another powerful feature is that users can act on individual records, select multiple records, and execute actions in bulk, along with a variety of other available options. This helps streamline workflows and improve response time, especially when you're managing high volumes of data. In short, Savynt's analytics aren't passive, they're deeply integrated with decision-making and operational efficiency. Let's take an example scenario for actionable reports. Identity Matrix has recently onboarded Active Directory into Saviynt Enterprise Identity Cloud, or EIC. With that onboarding, it's common to encounter orphan accounts that exist in the system but are not linked to any user. To address this, the admin needs to create an analytics control specifically to identify these orphaned accounts. Once the report is generated, the admin can take one of three actions directly from the report. First, they can accept the orphan account, which typically means acknowledging its presence and validating it. Second, they can map the orphaned account to an existing user if it turns out the account was just disconnected or misconfigured. And finally, if the account is unnecessary, the admin can delete it to maintain a clean access environment. This process ensures proper identity-to-account linkage, minimizes risk, and keeps your access inventory accurate and secure.